Hey guys, we're going to walk through this 2023 Leprechaun 298KB. This is a Class C motorhome on a Ford chassis. Let's take a walk around. This is the Leprechaun by Coachmen. This is new to us, so we're going to take a walk around of it. Check out this debut to RV Wholesalers with the Leprechaun series. This is a 30-foot, 5-inch camper, 14,500 pound gross vehicle weight. Let's check out this camper. Again, this is a debut to RV Wholesalers by Leprechaun. Let's check it out. Hey guys, we're going to walk through a brand new line here at RV Wholesalers. This is the Leprechaun by Coachmen that we just picked up here. It's going to be carried through our Honey Grove, Texas location. Now, they're a really nice Class C motorhome that we just picked up. We're really proud of them. They're really, really nice. Let's take a walk around this 2023. This is the 298KB. It is 30 foot long. Let's take a walk around it, see what all we have to offer. It's beautiful. It's on the E450 chassis. Awesome camper. It is in the caramel paint job. I believe this one's full body paint. Check out this cab. Of course, standard 450 cab with swivel seats, of course, in the cab there. So those seats do rotate 100% around. You can see everybody in you and just provide more seating while you're camping. But yeah, awesome cab by Ford there. Moving down the camper, of course, you have your standard storage bins and nice tinted window there Coachmen put in. But I love this paint job. Awesome paint scheme. Normally tan gets a little overdone now by campers, but looks really good on the side of this one. Moving back here, of course, you have your standard door. Locks into place. We have our keys dangling out of ours during the videos. So, awesome entertainment center here. Nice sound bar on the outside to control your zones, as well as your TV. We had it on for a little bit. We were listening to a bit of music, setting everything up. Awesome sound on there. Moving back a little bit farther, here is it is a hookup for, I believe, a spray port here. And then, of course, you're all underneath the awning with the LED strip and huge storage with bins, and it is pass-through. So once you get in there, there's like a big plastic tray. There's bins and stuff underneath of there, as well as moving to the back. Here is nice LED taillights, and there's your water heater and everything, as well as your backup camera backup camera that's standard on these Leprechauns. Again, awesome camper, 30 foot. Let's take a walk inside. So here we are inside of the 298KB. And the reason I brought up those swivel seats on the outside is because when this one swivels around, kind of acts like an extra chair to this U-shaped dinette that we have here. Moving above that, of course, you have the over the cab bed here. And this one holds 800 pounds. So you have the insert here with the tether, so for any kind of cargo, and the ladder to get up there, all kind of nicely stored. And we have the lights and the window open there, so you can get a kind of nice view of everything that's going on up there. But yeah, awesome little setup there for any kind of kiddos or anything you want to bring with you. Rotating around here to the other side, you have yourself a nice little hide-a-bed here, or a fold-out bed, I guess, if you would. Seat belts, of course, for any kind of passenger, folds out into a nice little futon. And of course, if you saw, there's storage underneath there for anything else you want to bring with you. Moving back through the camper. Oh, sorry, I missed this. Nice storage above as well, with lights behind it, so you can see everything that's behind there, so you don't have to open up campers guessing what's behind the door. Moving back here, you have your 12-volt refrigerator, and there's also a power disconnect to that refrigerator, so you can turn it on and off as you wish. Back here, you have your nice little oven, gas-operated oven here. Nice area to cook everything, as well as a 3-burner cooktop. Above it, you do have a convection microwave. So again, anything you can't handle in your oven, you can put up here in the microwave, cook a little faster. Solid surface countertops, so you're not cutting into them or burning anything when you move it from oven to countertop. And again, plenty of storage in your kitchen there. Nice, plenty of space. Put everything in, and of course there is some pull-out drawers as well. Plenty of storage above. Nice cabinetry, solid surface. Nice hardware, easy close. Nice vent fan above the oven and microwave everything. So if you like to burn your grilled cheese like I do, goes right out the top. So let's take a look at the bedroom. So here we are in the bedroom of the 298KB. This is a beautiful bedroom inside of this camper. They do have a lot going on, so let's check it out. So inside of here we have the over-the-head cabinetry. Lots of storage up here, and below it, of course, you have your reading lights for his and her side of the bed. Speaking over his and her side of the bed, you do have shelving for charging your phone or anything like that. Now, that being said, there is no under the bed storage because there is components to the camper underneath of there, as well as, remember, that big pass-through storage at the rear of the camper. Now, on each over here behind it, there is a nice big closet. Of course, this mirror, I'm blocking this side of it, but it does slide and you get access to both sides for any kind of hanging clothing or anything like that. Again, I'm blocking the view just a little bit, but there is pull cabinetry underneath here. But again, this closet here is plenty of storage for any kind of clothing or anything else you take with you. Rotating around, great access into the bathroom with this nice swivel door. Inside of here, again, lots of storage, lots of cabinetry space, nice porcelain toilet. These colors look amazing inside of this Leprechaun. This dark wood with that light back wall color is just makes everything pop. Inside the shower there, 3-panel door, nice big shower with that tile look. Skylight over the shower there for all the nice tall people. But yeah, awesome shower there. Awesome little bathroom. All right, so then as you're kind of moving out of the bathroom, you'll notice this blank wall here. On this blank wall, you can put a TV. You see your TV mounts. Directly above that, you have your air conditioner. Now below this, you see this little, these pleated doors. If you open that up, you'll see that you can use it for storage or a washer dryer combo kit. You can put that there so that way you can do your laundry as you're going down the road. Nice little hiding spot, makes it look nice and clean in that bedroom. So thanks for walking through the Leprechaun 295. I was looking for something to put my hand on. So thanks for walking through the 2023 Leprechaun 298KB. Again, this is a brand new line with us here at RV Wholesalers. They're going to be carried through our Honey Grove, Texas location. We're really happy to have them. They're awesome looking camper. The quality is just awesome. This is, again, the 298KB. Thanks for joining us. My name is Dalton with RV Wholesalers. Give me a call, ask some questions, 937-843-9000, extension 153. I have this video on YouTube to walk through, as well as many others on RV Wholesalers on YouTube. Join us on Facebook. Hope to see you at the next one.